just like solving an equation, except for whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, you must remember to flip the direction. I'll show you that in the second example. But this first example, just like an equation, I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. That allows that little fellow there to cancel. We have 3x is greater than 12. We'll divide both sides by 3. And we get x is greater than 4. See a drawing? Open circle because of the lack of the equal to. Shade to the higher side, the direction of the inequality. Left-hand number is 4. Right-hand number is that arrowhead, infinity. Parentheses because you are approaching both of those. Here, we're going to divide by a negative in a second. I'm going to subtract 5. Negative 2x is greater than 8. Divide by the negative 2. The negative 2's cancel. I'm dividing by a negative, so I flip the direction of the inequality. 8 divided by negative 2 is negative 4. A closed circle because of the equal to sign, and I will shade to the lower side because of the less than. Left-hand number is the negative infinity. The left-hand arrowhead, negative 4. You approach infinities, but because of the closed circle on the negative 4, we use a bracket. Example here using with parentheses, I'll distribute the 5, bring down the 4. The negative 15 and the 4 should be simplified into a negative 11. And we solve. The 11 gets added over. 8 plus an 11 is a 19. And then I'll divide the 10. Can't divide a 10 into a 19. I can't even reduce it. That's my best answer. 19 over 10, a closed circle, shade to the low side. Interval notation, a negative infinity for that left-hand arrowhead, 19 over 10 with a bracket. A parentheses on the infinities, a bracket because of the closed circle on the number. Problem here with a fraction. I'm going to go through and just quickly multiply everything by 3. That will allow these 3's here to cancel. I have an x plus 15 greater than 3 and 2, 6x, 3 and 7, 21. I don't like the location of this negative 6x, or the 6x, so I subtract it over. I don't like the 15, subtract it as well. Negative 21, negative 15, negative 36, divide by the negative 5, divide by a negative means I flip the direction of the inequality. 36 over 5, I can't simplify that, but I can cancel out the negatives. Drawing. No equal to sign, so an open circle. And I'll shade to the left on this one as well because of the less than. Interval notation, left-hand number, right-hand number. You are approaching and approaching because of the open circle.